Okay. Man, this is nice. Having two monitors, jeez. Whoopsie daisies. Let me actually open up OBS, my second monitor. Okay. Let's play this. Ruby, I said why in the sub announcements. Hey Mickey. Here, wait, let me see how stream looks. Oh, this is nice. How are y'all doing today? Here, let me show y'all what I did yesterday while I was messing around. I was trying to. Oh wait, sorry. I was recording a video. I'm doing good, Mickey. Okay, so yeah, I made buttons to go teleport around, and yeah, and I think they look really nice. Like I genuinely really like them. And I'm gonna start redesigning my UI because it's kind of poor. I did do a little bit of tinkering with my inventory UI, and now it has this stroke behind it. But I need to redo a lot of my UI because right now it's kind of poor. So yeah, I need to redo all this. And then I also fixed the stroke of a bunch of different things in my game. Yeah. You know, I don't know why that's not printing. Fail to evaluate. No, you're right. Let me put this down here. Let's see what the issue is. Why did you just say water? Cannot create another reactive scope inside another one basic stroke. Oh, okay. Can I do? I think I'm gonna need to get root. Oh, yeah, what's up, Radiant Joy? Your YouTube and okay. Oh yeah, you're right. Let me do that. This is so nice having a second monitor. Like it's really easy to do stuff. Make chat bigger. Okay. There we go. I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. More bit, bro. Like that. How's that? Is that good? Oh, you're right. More to the left. I mean, okay. See, if I go to the right too far, I'm scared it's gonna clip out. Here, wait, properties. Let me change the width. More big. Wait. Let me do. I think. I like this configuration. Yeah, I know this looks really different. Yeah, I love a second monitor. Okay. Let me just post the link to the live stream in Discord real quick. I know, right? W. Also, how does my mic sound? Because it's in a completely different spot now. I did reconfigure it a little bit, but you know how it goes. Do you have that combined chat thing to look at what it's called? What do you mean, Starfall? Make Europe great again? Okay. It's good. Yeah, I honestly really like this. Oh wait. Yeah, I think I can just do untracked. It's better, but we can also hear every single sound you make. Like what do you mean? Like even like breathing? Like, oh yeah, I know you guys can hear my keyboard. I'm fine with that. I want it to be like that. Do you guys want me to not have the keyboard sound in? Because I can get rid of that. No, keep it? Okay. Yeah. I think it sounds satisfying in my opinion, but some people get annoyed by it. Like I can turn it down. Oopsie daisies. Keyword make food ASMR. Yeah. Yeah, it's like ASMR. Also, what do you guys think about the new buttons? I think they look clean. It's the only source of background noises us YouTube viewers. Yeah. Yeah, for YouTube viewers, I guess it's like AMR. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah, it looks like a lot has changed, yeah. That's annoying. No, wait. Can I create... Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do root. Add a shop button for game passes. Yeah, I'm gonna do that in the future. Because I need monetization on this game. Also, guys, I woke up this morning and I just thought of like possibly the best game idea ever for like a, well, not the best game idea ever, but like a really good idea for like a cash grab type of game. You know what I'm saying? And like I think it's gonna be like, I think in the future when I do it, it's gonna be a fun simulator. Bro, what the fuck? I'm not gonna add 2 times money. Also, I don't wanna talk about it that much, but it's just like it's just a simulator where you like get like hire people to like order packages, and it's basically just loot crate simulator. Like if you think of it. Wait, I don't see. Is there a satisfying click when you press the buttons? What do you mean satisfying click? I mean, it goes down a little bit, and it sort of like glows whenever, or like gets brighter whenever you hover over it. $20 plus 5 is 25. I'm good, Illy. Why don't I do use AI in Mactic? Why do you think I don't use AI? Thank you, Ruby. I guess. Okay. Can I create 26? Bro, what's the issue? I think. Oh wait. No, I think I was right with the untracked thing. You know, I run Vide in strict mode, and whenever I come into an issue, I always just like slap a untrack on it, and typically it works. I don't really understand it though, like fully. Also, is the UI on the left gonna stay the same, or is it gonna have like a square background? What do you mean this? I don't know. They're like icon. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna get an icon pack. I don't like these. And I might make it a square background. I don't really know. Oh shoot. I need to add a lot more sounds into my. Oh shit. I need to add a lot more sounds into my game. Okay. Upgrade. Oh wait, no, teleport buttons. Wait, let me open up this in my second monitor real quick, because I want to be able to edit this live. Oh wait, no. Where is? Okay. You can add a lucky block for ores. Yeah, for ores, I have a lucky block type of thing. It's like a treasure chest, and you can get like different jobs for it. Like that one's more varied. I don't really want to monetize this game like crazy. Like I don't want it to make it pay to win. I do want to monetize it, but I don't want to make it pay to win. You're right. Text backdrop. I think it's this. That spawn randomly that you need to break with insane health. Ooh, yeah. Well, I'm sort of gonna have something similar. I'm just gonna have mini bosses. Bro, why does this not do anything? Bro, Ruby, I don't get her free speech. I don't know why this isn't like. Wait. Struck. Here. I don't want to do this. Bro, I don't know how to do this without making it messy as fuck. You're right. Let me do that. Const effect. What about in the middle of the map? There's an elevator that you can take down to the mine shaft where mini bosses can spawn. I don't really want to do all that. Also, in the middle of the map, I want to add like a world boss for everyone to fight. If you want to add an index, can you mute Mickey Mouse Not Gonna Lie on Twitch? No. I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna do that. I know they're talking about something completely unrelated, but it's like it's whatever. Bro, Illy, I don't care. Bro, he can talk about whatever he wants. I'm stupid. What's Starfall? Equals to read thickness to screen scale. I think this will work. I don't know. I think I might have to slap on another untracked or some shit like that. Oh wait. Maybe add pets? Bro, I don't really want to add pets because like then I have to get like a modeler, or I'm gonna have to model out all of them myself or some shit, which was gonna suck. Oh, this actually works. Code output looks clear too. Here, wait. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I think this is. I'll just set it to whatever it was at before. Yeah. 4.25. And then let me swap this around. Alright, yeah, that looks better. And then I can go here and remove that. On Twitch, you can say whatever you want. YouTube is just so fucking soft. You can't put the grape emoji next to talking about people. Yeah, no. Yeah, YouTube has like some crazy censorship. By the way, did you make map on script or an actual studio? What do you mean, Illy? Maybe yeah. Will there be no wait? Make it with an F. That's ID sound. Will there be cooler oil? Can you make Twitch chat to the other corner, please? It'll be much more visible. What do you mean? Which corner? You can't just say the other corner because there's 4 of them, right? Or 3 of them. Yeah, what's up, Run Up? Like the whole map in the game. I made it in studio. On yeah. Yo, what's up, Afloat? Yeah, exactly. Starfall. That's what I was thinking. Like, I like storing a lot of stuff in my code, but I would literally never make a map in scripting. That'd be hell. How's your day, Afloat? Okay, this looks good. All right, and now let's test out if it actually works well. The bottom left and bottom left, I think no, but wouldn't that be kind of annoying? Because if it's in the bottom left, wouldn't it just overlap with like this stuff right here? Should I put it in the bottom right? I think I'll put it in the bottom right. I mean there are pros, a lot of pros. Wait, what do you mean, Run Up? Pros to what? Okay. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Oh wait. Alright, I think I'm gonna do this, and then this also full screen. Yeah, this looks. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. Oh my fucking god, bro! Why can I not do a reactive scope? Or whatever. Source update tray. Wait, can I do this? Fuck, it works. What? What are you talking about? Is the cache animations and stuff working? What do you mean cache animations? Also, Run Up. What do you mean there is a lot of pros? You're right. Oh, oops. Wait. I should not full screen this. Yeah. You can make animations, changes, actions with the map. An example is that if there's an event, you're able to do whatever you want with the map. Like, for what? Like, huh? I'm confused. It works. No kids safe words are banned. Well, I mean, yeah, Ruby. I mean, like, what? On Twitch, they don't really care. Bro, Run Up. What are you talking about? all that stuff is easier when what? But you could just make one part of the map code. No, no one's gonna be doing that. No one's gonna be coding their map because there's tools to link the parts that you see in game in studio into Rojo, so you get like IntelliSense for it still. What's that Radiant Joy? Okay, where is this? 438. Oh, if I, yeah, exactly, run up. Like no one's gonna want to code their map. Wait, so explain to me how to earn pickaxes again. Is there like a shop? You can earn pickaxes. Okay, so to make a pickaxe, let me go craft. Oh, I love that there's teleport buttons now. Okay, so you can craft a part, and first you have to make a template, or I mean buy a template. So that's gonna be from the shop, and then you also get materials from mining, and then with that you can make a part for a tool, and then in here with those parts you can craft a tool. So I could go like binding, and then this looks cool. Oh well, actually my stroke thing is fucked up, but you know. The Enrod, can you add an Enrod ore? That wouldn't really make sense in Enrod ore. What's that? Move the bag and arrow icons to the left. Wait, what do you mean? For which thing? Radiant. Yeah. You make a template and then you make a part and then yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna make admin items and also limited time items. Yeah. Oh. What do you mean they are on the left? Okay, give me 1 second, Radiant. 434. Bro, there's fucking nothing here. Okay. What? What will happen on day 1 of finishing the game? Will you still update or onto another project? I'm gonna do some live ops. Yeah, I'm still gonna update it and stuff like that and add shit. For how long though? I don't really know, but yeah, I'll do stuff. What? What about it, Radiant? Oh yeah, I know, because it goes by scale right now, so the padding is like whatever. I'm gonna make it more like this. I'm just too lazy to do that right now, so you know. Wait. Function ctor. Can I create a new? Bro, do I just have to? I think I'm just gonna have to double wrap this, even though it's kind of stupid, but it's whatever. Are you participating in what, run up? Okay, Radiant. Bro. Not like bosses or mobs in the traditional sense. You need to split your components, bro. What do you mean, Lucius? like break apart my components more. Identical table. Oh wait. Bro, how do I do this where like it doesn't error out? Like, kind of do I just wrap it in another function? You know, it's kind of stupid. Like, this is so messy. Okay, yeah, Lucius, I know you're talking about my UI component. What do you mean? Like, I need to make more components, like more abstractions. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, that just got rid of all my strokes. Okay. Yeah, speaking of never beating that challenge, how the fuck did they die? 28 times. Bro, I saw a couple clips of it on TikTok. That shit's pretty funny. I'm not really a fan of ice cream with nuts. I feel like well, I mean, maybe if it's from like a more gourmet place where they make it like more fresh, but like whenever I have like out of a tub like pistachio ice cream, the pistachios or like the nuts always just taste like kind of bitter. I don't know, I like it. But if it's more fresh, then yeah, sure, I'll like it. But I don't do it too often though. Like I wouldn't have stuff like that because that's probably gonna be like higher in calories. It is like 150 lines. You have your whole menu in just a module. Okay. I don't know what to do. Bro, I'm a little bit slow today. That's alright. Value. Oh, how did that already remove? I think this might work actually. Okay. And wait. Oh shoot, I didn't nominate that. Okay, yeah, it works. Let's hope. Have you told anyone of this, or do only internet people know? I mean, my family knows. What do you mean, will it work, Lucius? Bro, oh my, yeah, this shit is pissing me off. If I just have this here. I think. I also need a cleanup function. Thank you, run up. Making a new game marathon when? I don't know. I think the next game that I'm gonna make, I originally wanted to make like a tower defense or like some other long project, but I think the next thing that I'm gonna work on is just gonna be like a game more for money, more for me to make money. Because I really like the idea of like the simulator that I thought of this morning. I think it was pretty interesting. Properties. Oh, this is not gonna work. Do I need to put this in? Do I even need to destroy this thing or no? I mean, I don't think so, because I feel like it would get automatically garbage collected. Because it's not like there's like any instances or something. I don't know, we'll see. Oh my god. Why can I not insert this? I think if I just wrap this in the table, Vibe will automatically handle it. Bro, I'm losing my mind over this. 65. That's okay, that's just that. Yeah, I'm not even gonna have a destroy thing. Bro, what the fuck? Wait, let me open up Vide documentation. Wait, am I overthinking this? Vide. Untracked. Bro, I think I've been overcomplicating it. What's up, Momo? How you doing, man? Untracked. How's your day? What is that? A script to make UI, or you don't make it on student? Yeah, it's a script for UI. I like to code my UI instead of doing it in Studio. Personal preference. Ooh, that sounds fun, bro. Are you doing like a what type of game are you making? Are you doing like pathfinding or something? Read thickness. I think this will work. Boom, I'm not a bot better. I'm making the hit game default dance simulator. I made a voxel pathfinder. It's doing well. Oh, that's nice. Voxel games are pretty fun because typically you can do like some really crazy optimizations because everything's on a grid and like squared. I'm gonna lose my mind. The game name, there is none so far. Bro, I don't know what to do. Yeah, also the blocks only exist on the client, so the anti-cheat and the raycast. Yeah. Yeah, raycasting in a voxel game is pretty cool because you can just do like massive skips. Like it's really efficient because you can just skip a lot of things. Also, especially if you do like quad trees or whatever for the things, you can skip like whole entire like chunks of blocks, and it's really fast. If I were to make a game with a team, I'd do a pixel game. Bro, like Starfall, by pixel game, do you mean like a voxel game like Minecraft, or like just a pixel art game? I don't know what to do. You know, a lot of stuff that's impressive. It's like Trove. You can battle and build. Is it on Roblox or what? That's cool, Starfall. I love pixel art stuff. Here, wait, let me just put this on the screen so y'all see what I'm looking at. Bro, like, I don't know what to do. Do I just do this? Like, I don't even know. It's an alpha right now. I just have a few dungeons and worlds. Are the dungeons are they set or are they like procedural? How many shows do you? Today I posted 5, but they were like kind of easy to make. They're just like covering basics of Luau. What's up, Thomas? Bro, I am like actually struggling here just for this stupid stroke. That's pretty funny. Bro, I love the LARP YouTubers. The martial rounds are procedural, but the dungeons we need to build and save in prefabs. Okay. I would make the dungeons procedural. I think those are really cool. If you ever played a Minecraft modded, there's this really cool mod. Let me bring it up. This one, Roguelike Dungeons, I love this one. I'm pretty sure their stuff is procedural. I mean, not by like a crazy amount, but I'm pretty sure it's somewhat is. I don't know, maybe not. But I love their dungeons. And also, I just love procedural stuff in general. I think they're fun. Yeah. I think we do that, and then I do this in here. I think that'll be fine. Hopefully. What's up, yo? Thomas Larpson 3033. That's pretty funny. Honestly, they should have just stuck with 222. Please. Oh my fucking god, let's go. Holy sh... Yeah, that actually took forever. Yo, what's up, Swifty? Oh my god, that took forever just to get this stupid stroke working. Okay. Yeah, okay, we're good now. Speaking of Slayer, I'm gonna play Slayer. What's up, Sertaken? I don't really know how to say your name. Have you said? Yeah, I love the Lost Cities mod, bro. I love that. I play a lot of modded Minecraft. My game is actually inspired by or like a part of my game is inspired by modded Minecraft. I have like pickaxe crafting like in Tinker's Construct. It works like pretty much exactly like Tinker's Construct. Can you name the rarity common is on? What do you mean by that? Like here, let me show you, Momo. So you have different templates for like a head, a binding, and a handle, and then you can use materials to craft them, for them, and then after that you can get a part, and then you can select like your head, and then your binding, and then what you use for the rod, and then it makes it procedurally, or not procedurally, well, sort of procedurally. Add roller shop? What does that mean? Yeah, but this was so fun to make. Like, I love this system. This is probably one of the coolest things I made. Yeah. And then what's it called? And then you can also apply different materials to it. So like basically, depending on what you use to craft, you can get different skills that you can unlock. So right here, there's this ability called combustible, and I unlock it because I have a coal rod. And this is other one called connectivity. So connectivity, it unlocks because I made it out of copper for the binding. But let's say I didn't, but I still want the ability. I can just slap on copper and it'll apply the modifier. But there's only a certain amount of material slots that you get depending on like what you craft with. It's a pretty cool system so far. I actually don't know what I'm gonna work on today. I didn't come in with a plan, so let's see. I guess we can work on my reverb stat or my reverb skill because I didn't exactly finish that. What do you mean Starfall? So cool. I changed it to neon, but I never saw how it looked, so let's see how it looks. Oh, also, I'm pretty sure, hopefully, like fingers crossed, my my skill tree is finally done. Like, there's no bugs really for the most part, like at all. So hopefully, I don't have to work on it again. I really hate working on this thing. It's honestly really annoying. So you have to pay $100 to get one roll and roll a spin, and it rolls any, bro. And it rolls any block, 12 normal block. Bro, I'm having a really hard time understanding that. Oh wait. And then let's do this. Let's see how it looks. I didn't see how it looks with the new neon thing. Still supposed to be scripting a skill tree, by the way. That's just, well, by skill tree that also includes the skills, by the way. So this technically counts, but I think I need to make this like longer. Is there a lerp function for this? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do that real quick. So it's like already slightly big. Because like it's not really prominent. Like I can like half see it. Like I can barely see the little thing. Yo, what's up, Quay? I think the Forge's race system. I never played the Forge actually. Hey, you know what's the best method to improve my programming skills? Sometimes it's hard for me to do something without being AI dependent. Just practice coding and then you'll get better. Like you just have to do it, you know? Like programming is a skill and every skill requires you to practice it. Add gold, have 5 HP, and rare to spawn only one. Gold, I mean, I don't really want that to be super rare. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I don't know why my skill tree is like flickering. Bro, I'm gonna have to fix that later. Bro, it's like barely visible. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do that. No, wait, I need to do this. Okay. I actually don't know what I'm gonna add for game passes. What's up, Radiant Joy? Welcome back. So for the skill tree to purchase the upgrade, is there gonna be like an XP system that you get from using your PK? There already is. As you can see, there's like a level, and with every level, you get to purchase one skill. shit. That is way smaller than I expected it to be. Yeah, I was underestimating the size, or overestimating the size. Oh wait. I guess by like 30 or something, or like, you know, honestly like 40. That thing was really small. That's why I could barely see it. I don't like how it swings. Maybe add it so when you hit it, what? What the fuck? Like it loses HP? What do you mean, Radiant? Wait, are you talking about the pickaxe itself, like durability? I was actually contemplating adding durability when I first started making my pickaxes. Like, I was on the edge of whether or not I wanted to have it or not. Oh, that's a lot better. Yeah, I did get my second monitor. Like the ores do lose HP. What are you talking about? Yeah, that's reverb. Loki, add that because this game kind of seems easy. Yeah. Yeah, like I was sort of contemplating durability. I don't know. I was really on the fence about it. I was like, shit, I don't know if I should do it or not. Let's just do that. Because it looks horrible when it's in. And then I think this 35 looks good. Actually, wait. I'm just gonna make this a constant. Goals size. All right, and then let's do this. I'll look at chat in 1 second. Okay, this should look a lot better. I mean, I don't know. Also, I don't know why, but I feel like in the original game, the pickaxes get displayed better, like when spinning around you, like it's bigger or something. I can't make it bigger, so maybe I should do that. Oh shit. Also, do you think the pickaxe is too far away from me? Do you think that? Looky, yeah. Bro, having a second monitor makes life so much easier. Yeah. Because I can make it much closer to me. Okay, that's way too slow, but it looks good. Let's do 0.4. Actually, let's just half the speed. Yeah, me too. No, Radiant, I'm not ignoring you. It's just like I don't know what to say. Like, The pickaxe swings, like, it's just gonna have to stay like that. Like, that's the game. I don't want to make it like a manual mining thing. I mean, unless you have like some sort of suggestion for like another way to do a mining mechanic. Bro, the flickering is like tweaking me out. Like, I don't know why it's doing that. I genuinely don't know why my screen flickers when I ride by something. That's okay. What do y'all think about that? I don't know why. Oh, it's a distance thing. I didn't know there was automatically like distance running for that. Maybe throw it instead every time you click it. Yeah, that's true. Wait, didn't you suggest that like last stream or something like that? You Radiant? Like, didn't you suggest that before? I feel like I heard that. Actually, I'm gonna need that later. Oh, you didn't? Add tree small on grass, it grows. Bro, okay. Honestly, Sir Talkin, I think I'm gonna make it so that whenever you rebirth, like, your money resets to 0. Like, I don't really want any leftovers. What active skills do you plan? Like a bomb or a speed as damage increase? Oh wait, what do you mean, Momo? Be on this chat. I'm gonna pop me and be on this chat. You know what I'm gonna do now? I haven't done this. I haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna make it so that your damage thing actually works now. Like the power skill, because it didn't work before. Like, it doesn't do anything right now. Yeah, it only has passive skills. I mean, I like the idea of active skills, but I feel like it'd be annoying trying to have like I guess I could have keybinds for it. I don't know. It'd be clean when you click it. It throws a pickaxe wherever you click. Bro, it's gonna be so much harder to like make though. And like I like the spinning personally. It's a good song, Swifty. Yeah, wait, let me play probably my favorite song from the album. I'm pretty sure. Does it transfer over? Give hack data. So the data pickaxe. Okay. Con skills. My cut. No, I'm not saying that, bro. Yeah. Bro, I was about to say that too. I'm good on that, bro. Where is it? ICUPBRU. I'll look at chat 1 second. Skill dot here not loss. Actually, let's do this. Actually, nah, I want to do like this. Wait, I need to get the skill depth. I guess I can put it right here. Bro. Re-say it. Okay, ICUPBRU. Like what? Wait, do I need to get this skill, you know. Okay, so that, you know, it's not a skill, you know. Whoops. Whoops. Dots. What do you say at the end? BRU. Cause you said spell I cup, bro. Oh wait, yeah. Didn't Mr. Beast have like a video where like he did like a mansion challenge with like a bunch of TikTokers who said that it like you'd be stupid if you were to leave the thing or whatever. Spell. Bro, I'm not spelling that. That's too long because you have the quotation marks too. That's gonna take forever. Bro, listen up. I cup. What? I mean, that's not a word though. Okay. In its letters. Bro, what does that even mean? In its letters? Huh? Alright, 10.63. Okay, it's probably just like insignificant or something. Okay, there we go. Wait, let's see. Which one do I have? R2. I don't know why I did that. Wait. 11.16. Alright. I don't have a calculator, I think. Okay. Alright. Whoops. Okay. I guess we should also implement speed now. Let's see. How do I want to do speed? Shit. Do we have a modifier? No. Wait, by dual wield, do you mean like holding multiple pickaxes, like of different types, or holding multiple pickaxes of the same type? Say, alpha. What? Bro, there's no quotation marks though. Like, I'm confused by what you're asking. Yo, Radiant, I think you're stupid. There's no quotation marks there. Alpha Kenny body. Like, you can click multiple times for multiple pickaxes to swing. Multiple pickaxes of the same type, like of the same pickaxe? Or are you saying like of two different pickaxes? I'll fuck anybody? Huh? No, I said alpha Kenny body. There's a difference. Yeah, that's what the. Bro, why are you Radiant? Why are you saying say it quick? I literally said the fucking thing. Are you? Nah, you're actually dumb. I literally said I'll fuck anybody. What are you doing? Okay, never mind. Anyways, yeah, that's what split is. That's what it does. It makes multiple spawn. Say it fast. Why are you saying say it fast? Bro, my mom's watching the stream and she just said he's trying to make you say ICUP, so don't give him the satisfaction to distract you. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Mom. I didn't realize. Yeah, I know. No, Mom. I'm fighting for your love, but that don't seem like what you want. I don't really know how I want to do speed. I think. Whoops. That's when I was trying to make. Yeah, I know. Honestly, she was kind of late to message me, bro. She messaged me that 1 minute ago, but that was definitely further than a minute. I just got banned from Crafty stream from spanning 1 cheers. I mean, bro. That's so stupid, bro. On Twitch, you can literally disable that. I don't know what. That's actually just really stupid. I'm sorry about that, Ruby. That guy should have not done that to you. Let's see. I think. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll just do speed multiplier. All I do is work. Don't gotta say a word to me. Yes, I can do anything. Multiplier. Whoops. Bro, guys, having 2 monitors has to be like the most life-changing purchase ever, bro. Like, this is genuinely just nice. No black truck speed. Low pickaxe stats. Oh shit. Whoops. Thank you. What should I? Bro, I don't know how I want to do this. Bro, I don't know why Twitch. Let me type. Yeah, no, they do that with a lot of stuff. How much bit to play the Ruby? I'm not doing that. But Ruby, I don't know why you keep giving me money, bro. Like, I'm just being serious. Like, how should I do this? Yeah, it's equivalent to 1 cent in US dollar. Yeah. Well, $3. I don't know how much it is in other places. I mean, it's actually, yeah, probably about 3 quid. Yeah, he did. Bro, I don't know how I'm gonna connect this. Fuck. Bro, this is gonna be annoying because I need to do it on server and client. Like, what were the? They're probably thinking that they're gonna get a lot of money or something. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's take this. Pickaxe. Okay. What? How did those games work? +1, whatever, escape games. Like, what do you do? Also, bro, my mic wobbles so much now. Like literally any single time I do something on my desk, it wobbles a little bit. It's kind of annoying. Let's see. Like you get speed every second you walk, and you have to escape like rooms. Okay. Okay. Wait, wouldn't it get like harder, or did they make it easier? Well, actually, wouldn't it be like easy? Well, wouldn't it be hard then easy then hard again? Yeah, that's pretty fun. Fire signal. Can we have the first chat back so we can scroll up and don't miss my messages? Ruby, I have all the messages still up. Also, I don't like the other chat. That's ugly. You need more speed to complete it. Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking about. Okay, let me just get rid of this. I can get rid of that. And then this is a global, so we need run service. For example, level 1 is 5 speed levels required, and you beat it. Then level 2 is. So it's basically just retention farming, because you have to wait the entire time before you to get your speed up. Yeah. Radiant, what games have you made? Or have you not made any? Why don't you start making one? Do you work on teams or by yourself? Just as for my dog that has been used for tax fraud in 2017, now when their guy that has 69. That's a lot of dogs. Wait, do you work on a lot like in teams, or do you just like work and then you stop, like you lose motivation? Bro, I really want to, like in the future, I really want to make a FNAF game with like a team of people. Like, bro, a game like Forgotten Memories, or like what's it called? What's the asymmetrical one that came out recently, or not recently, but like a few months ago, and like it's in maintenance for forever. Yeah, UI can be pretty fun, honestly. The anomaly game? No, it was here. Wait, let me just go on Roblox. I think it was Forgotten Memories. Oh no, not Forgotten Memories. It was Bite by Night. Yeah, bro, Bite by Night. Like a game like this, not accessible. But anyways, a game like that, yo, I would love to make a game like that. Like it just looks so dope. I mean, I guess Ruby, that's what you like to do. Yeah, like a game like that, or like a game like Forgotten Memories, or just like a high quality FNAF game looks like so fun to develop and code for. Yeah, I mean every asymmetrical game got inspired by Forsaken. Oh. Actually, I'm too lazy to get it. Wait, do I not? Or do I start server signals? You just. Oh. Else require. I need to do this because it's long as hell. Really, you never played Bite by Night, bro? That game was so fun. Oh my god, I hate that it's in maintenance because I actually really like it. Yeah, bro. Gamedev, there's just like so many components to it. Like it's so annoying. Like how much random skills are required just to make a game. Signals not. On signals. All right, where can I slap this into? Actually, wait. Pickaxe item. I'll look at chat in 1 second. Skills, which is, I'm just gonna put as a table for now, or like a blank table. That's so messy, bro. Oh my god. I'm just gonna change this because it's the same thing. Yeah. I'm just gonna have to change whatever code I currently have. And then, actually, you know what? Nah, I'm too lazy to change my code on the client. Wait, client signals, skills update, skills update. Okay. I might make a game like +1 escape. For example, there's this game +1 escape keyboard and I don't know, +1 escape. I don't know. Personally, I think the next game I'm gonna make is gonna be like another one with like a plot, like a simulator game. The next one I'm gonna make is gonna be about like opening crates or like opening packages. Yeah, I was thinking about that. Like, if you're gonna start doing it, you better start doing it now. Because if you already know about a trend, then that means it's on a dying. That's likely dying. Unless it's something like brain rot, because that one took forever to die or to start dying. Yeah, I know. Games with like opening like orangey mechanics, yo. And also like, bro, I thought of the idea for the game. I don't want to say much about what I want to do for it, but it was so good. Like I think it's gonna be so nice that I literally opened my phone and started recording like myself talking about what I want in the game because I didn't want to forget it. So I have like a 2+ minute recording on my phone of me just talking about what's gonna be in the game. Yeah, there's a lot of keyboard games. A lot. Oh, I like that it does a union of it. Or like a whatever. I'm just gonna get rid of this because we basically have it now. All right, cool. Now I can actually do this. Brain rot was a trend mainly in 2026 Loki. Honestly, I don't really think so. Like beginning 2026, end of 2025, it was like a transition thing. Games are easy peasy until it comes to models. Yeah. Like honestly, I think I'm gonna hire a modeler, and then for that game. I'm happy 6-7 kind of died. Yeah, me too. Honestly, I don't even think 6-7 kind of died. I think it just is dead. I barely hear that thing anymore. Uh, do daily with their subjects and all. They record for work notes. Yeah. Uh, I mean, bro, it was so important. I literally had to like note it down because I was like, bro, that sounds so easy to make, and I feel like it's gonna get high CCU. Uh. I mean, I might hire you. I don't know. I think I'm literally like for the game. I'm planning on just like making some simple crates, probably by myself, honestly. And then I'll probably make it in a pixel art style, so it's really easy to make. And then I'm just gonna get a bunch of assets, like free assets online, and then use that in the game, and then make a large index. Mm. Bro, there's this really good asset pack. Let me see if I can find it. Like this guy used it for a YouTube video, and he created a really like he created a nice like supermarket like cleanup game, and it had so many assets. It had like 400 assets, and it was only $5. That's crazy. Or I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to find it, but it was just like a ton of models for like only $5. It was crazy. That'd be a game idea. 10K in a current Roblox is just a regular game. Find 50K. You can get insane assets on, yeah, like Unity and stuff like that. Some good assets. But a 100 part model will be better for optimization than a single mesh. Wait, what? What do you mean? Do you mean worse? Because I'm like 99% certain that having a single mesh is more performant. Actually, I'm gonna change how I do the speed multiplier. I think I'm gonna have it separated because yeah. A part is needed to Roblox and just need to be loaded in. I found your live by searching making a Roblox game live or something. Using frames set of image labels is much more optimized. What's up, Alien? Const. How's your day, Alien? On the other monitor, I have OBS, YouTube chat, and Twitch chat. That's about it. I'm pretty good. Things are going well with development and stuff like that. Do you do any game dev? Oh wait, no. It needs to be a dictionary. What games have you made, Alien? How are y'all them? Oh my god, I completely didn't see that. Wait, lol, are you still in chat? I'm sorry for not reading your message on YouTube. I'm making a mining game right now, like a mining simulator. Yeah, I don't know. YouTube, I wouldn't say y'all are the minority, I just say y'all don't chat as much. Did the Roblox update come into effect yet? The one they were talking about when they lost any of the games. I think so. I mean, I saw a TikTok recently about how they changed it for the third time, so I think that might be it. Yeah, I'm sorry for not reading your message, bro. Thank you. Out of all the games I worked on, I only released one. Yeah, so far I released none. So, being a solo dev, thanks though. Being a solo dev is so nice because I feel like so many people in the Roblox development community is so unreliable because everyone is just like a bunch of teenagers that have horrible work ethic, and like I don't want to talk to them. Allow. Mining Inc. Remastered is making 3K monthly on under 100 CC. That's pretty nice. Solo dev can be. I mean, I like solo dev. What, bro, Radiant Joy, what does that even mean? Wait, FF, do you do any dev yourself? Hot dog and hurt mental. Or a good partner, the game dev. Yeah, I know, but it's just hard to find that. I wish I wish I could get a good partner though. I mean, that'd be nice. Guess just that. Yeah, I know what you mean FFF. I haven't really seen a game yet either. It's kind of hard to. And I just get to like burnout sometimes, you know. It's nice making Roblox games and not knowing scripting because it makes me use my mechanical side of my brain, which also doesn't exist. So. Add CCU Loki don't count. Slash 90k. Mm, for having one actor right now. You can join any dev community that allows selling entire projects to those with no lives rarely ever top 50k because you're selling them in servers. Serializing and deserializing. I am gonna add I am gonna add bosses. I lucky started making a game and then the thing and realized nobody would play it because kids are dead nowadays. Well, I mean, you don't know. I mean, a lot of people will play a lot of games, to be honest. Yeah, I'm still working on the game. Okay. Yeah, I am gonna spend ads on this game if that's what you're talking about. I can better find game devs making games with similar type UI. Would you spend? Yeah. Mm. I do in dev focus. I use Vide. It's been my favorite so far. I used Fusion in the past, but it wasn't really my favorite. I'll read chat in a second. There's a lot going on. Oopsie daisies. Coming timer every. Honestly, I'm gonna make the bosses probably come sooner. I'm using it for weeks and I still can't get it. The Vide. Yeah, I use Roho. Go to the crate store and get. I'm good. I don't really like to use stuff from the store. I've been coding for the last 6 years. About I'm 16 right now, so I started around like 10. Vide, yeah, Vide. I can run into some annoying issues, but I'm sort of like I'm sort of getting the hang of it and stuff like that. I mean, in general, reactive UI frameworks are kind of weird for me because this is the second project I ever used it on, and the first project I used it on, it was literally just like me testing things out. Like it wasn't actually a project. It was just making like a test thing. So I'm really new to reactive UI. What's the simplicity? Also, sorry for not reading Twitch chat, but like it's also like y'all are having your own conversation. I can't code like you. Have been coding for 10 years almost, though I'm not a very active room. Yeah, you just have to be active. Like, see, I don't like when people ask me how long I've been coding because your activity matters a lot more, and like your dedication to it matters a lot more than how long you've been doing it for. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of overlap with that, and like there's correlation, but it's better to ask like, hey, what do you do to learn, or like, hey, like, what have you made? I can see you using touch check and everything looks complex. Yeah, I guess. Okay. Actually, I'm not going to do that. What the hell is Sift? Sift is just also I'm sorry for like it's hard to read Twitch chat for me, but Sift is just this module to help work with tables. Yeah, can I be admin and you be player? Reading documentation. That's how you learn this stuff. Actually, I'm just gonna. You know, something that's good or bad, maybe. I guess I'll kind of see in the future is that like I serialize every single component of my entity, which can be good and also can be bad because like it minimizes storage, like memory. However, sometimes it can be pricey to do type checking and also serializing. So I guess in the future, I'm just gonna see which ones actually give performance benefit or not. Like this one, honestly, is gonna be kind of slow, and I'm probably gonna have to get rid of it in the future. But I mean, we'll see if it gives us speed up. You're so important. Whoops. Do this. Let me also freeze this actually. And then let's make the deserializer too. Let's see. Do you avoid prop drilling by using context? What does that mean? What's it called? Roblox docs, but how do you even get to the point where you would try to research for it? Like I know scripting, but I barely know what I'm looking for. Uh, Basically every single package that you're gonna find online will have good documentation. For example, this is Vide. They have really extensive documentation. There's also stuff for my ECS. There's also stuff for like everything, right? And they have pretty extensive stuff on their API and how it works. So that's how you learn. And like I'll just find packages because there's good Discord servers that that are for open source modules. This is a Roblox OSS community. They have tons of projects in here where you can learn stuff and find stuff. That's pretty nice. Holy shit. Here, wait. The length of your time scripting is essentially worthless since it doesn't show what you can do yet. Yeah, I agree, simplicity. If you want scripting, you can go Roblox scripting roadmap. That's why I go by anytime I do scripting. Constant buffer simulation, expensive CPU wise. Yeah, that's why I'm doing it for everything now, and then in the future, I'm gonna do benchmarking and see which ones actually help with performance and which ones don't. Because right now all these I use like a class for like storing like the surds, like the serializer and deserializers, so it's pretty easy to remove it for a component if I want. Depending on how often you need. Yeah, I know, that's what I was thinking about. Like this one I'm probably gonna have to remove, even though because like doing this, like doing a for loop and like packing shit down, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's gonna be this is probably not gonna be a big dictionary because it's just speed multipliers, but I don't know. Depending on how it should be fine if you're not running it too often, unless you find out how to map the binary to keys, which would be amazing. I was the lead dev on Imposter plus 14 previous games. Ooh, yo, simplicity's cracked. W. Yeah, I use Jex. I love Jex. Sorry, I'm like keeping up. I'm trying to keep up with chat right now. Also, bro, Radiant, what the fuck are you doing? Really? Here, wait. Actually, yeah, I didn't. For Jex, the documentation is kind of hard. When I was learning Jex, I used it through a YouTube video. It helped me the most. Here, let me find it for you. Also, I'll read Twitch or YouTube chat in a second. Okay, so there's these two videos. An overview of Jex, so it just covers over like what the variables and functions in it does. And then ECS and Roblox is actually like a tutorial on how to set shit up. He has this is a two-parter, so he has like part 1 and part 2. These help me a lot, like learning it. Oh wait, actually no. He has 3 videos. This one, we're like throwing balls in the air, like the practical example. This one helped me the most. So I highly recommend checking these out. Like these actually help me learn it. Jex. Let's see. Roblox docs. How do you even get to the point? I have the opposite of the issue. I understand the code I'm looking at, but I can't write. Yeah, my ability to write code kind of just like spawned out of nowhere, in my opinion. Like I felt like a couple months ago, I kind of just gained the ability to like start writing stuff that I understand and like I can use. But before that, I used to rely heavily on tutorials and stuff like that. Is passing an argument from script 1 to script 3. I'm still confused by that. I don't use Zap. For my remote events, I'm pretty sure Zap is a remote event thing. For my remote events, I just used Type Remote by I used Type Remote by Slightneck. Yeah, those. I just cracked this guy and got him on 1 HP and he killed me. Wait, pause, bro. I just So far as I can see, you're using components not to reuse stuff, but rather split one script into more scripts. No, not entirely. I mean, I use components to reuse stuff and also sometimes to just like hide stuff away. Oh my god. So I wrote my own ACS, both matter and Jack's docs were confusing. Yo, for simplicity, you're cracked. If you're looking for devs, check out their market. Do not promote in general. Does your most I learned ECS by reverse engineering what it does and making my own. In a way, I can understand that and improve it gradually. Okay. In the future, I do want to add admin commands. Oops. I'll reach out in 1 second. Okay, that's done. Where's something I can use? Nope. Yeah, sure. I guess I'll just copy this. Pretty easy. Remove this. Remove. Actually, I'm gonna need that probably. And remove this. And remove this. Oh wait, I'm using events instead of stupid. What is this one? I'll reach out in 1 second. My fault, guys. It's just kind of hard to like mentally switch between the two. Signals dot pickaxe dot skills update, and then entity. Oh wait, pickaxe item percent entity, and then skills, which is this. Okay. Add tag up of your name called owner. Oh yeah, I wanna add tags above people, and then I'm gonna add like, I don't know, like different badges and stuff like that. What's up, Lucius? You're in OSS. Check out CMDR. That's amazing. Yeah, I was just gonna like do something like that and like import a package or like a module for commands because I didn't feel like making my own. What's up, Gamore? How are you doing, bro? How's your day? I use CMDR to plug into and manually trigger game functions and write to tables. I love manually triggering AI state via CMD. Yeah, like I'm pretty sure I already looked at CMDR. The command lines that I saw in OSS, it just looks so cool. Recreating CMDR is a massive task because of its search bar, but it has autofill on commands. That's really nice, autofill on commands. Okay. I'm going to use the bathroom real quick, guys. Let me put this up. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. All right, let's play. Okay. Okay. Let's see what I want to do. I think I need to get pickaxe quarries. tougher. Let me actually play some Yeet. I haven't listened to them in a while. Actually, I'll play Don Toliver. I think in 30 minutes, when it's like 5 p.m. for me, right now it's like 4:22. I'm gonna go for a walk, so I'm gonna leave. All right. Oh, I need to go phone, yeah. Okay, let's compare the two now. What is it? Is it Atom Entity? Yeah. Alright, get to there. And then all right, let's see. All right, I need to get the speed multiplier. Equals to, oh, actually, I don't even think I need brackets for that. Equals to the data. What's up, Heavens? How you doing, bro? Heavens. How's your day? Get this serialized big X. And then that's good. That's great to hear, bro. Wait, I need to put on a hoodie. It is so cold in my room. I am freezing in my room. Ugh. Alright, that's much better. Okay. You actually get the thing. I think I can just go to Big X damage packet and do something really similar. Oops. Okay. that too. I'm so happy I turned this into like a function in a module, because it would be so annoying if I had to write out the skill depth thing every single time. Okay, let's do speed multiplier. Speed. Easy break. What's up, Spasm? How you doing, man? Also, I think you misspelled my name there a little bit. Why'd you type that? Run event coin rain. Why'd you type that, Starfall? I know. Speed skill equals to. I just put into skill. Speed multiplier. Okay. And I'm actually good on all this. Why do you use const? What is the point of it? No offending, just curious. I never used it. The point of it is to make a constant, so the value can't change. So that's why I use it. Let's see. Yeah, immutable variable. I actually just made a video on that today. I made a video about how some people get confused that whenever you use const on a table, the table isn't immutable. However, the reference to the table is immutable, which people don't always understand. Like in my Discord server, someone was asking me like, why do you use const next to a table? Because then it won't be able to change. And then I had to tell them like, the table isn't frozen. It's just the reference to the table that's immutable. Let's see, what do I want to open? I forgot. Because of this. You can show them prints. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's true. This was, yeah, no. Okay. Do you use AI for coding, or do you just go on documentation and find things out? And how long have you been coding? Have you been into coding inside Roblox? I've been coding in Roblox for about like 6 years. But I'm like, how long you've been coding doesn't really determine how good you are. It mainly the determining factor is like, in my opinion, it's what's it called? I think what matters more is what you made rather than how long you've been doing something. Like, if you want to know how good someone is at programming, I would ask them how much they've done. I need to redo rotation. You're right. You're right. Let me get a calculator. Wait. 6.2964. Okay. And then 2 to the 16. Oops. Bro, how do you do exponentiation on this thing? Oh, okay. 2 to the... And then if I divide by 100. Okay. How do you navigate with Rojo client and VS Code? For me, it's a bit hard. What do you mean? How do I navigate it? Brother, no, wait. You know what? Like they just died right now. I want to see how it looks. Kai. Oh my god, it's a fucking ad. Huh. Bro, they are never completing that thing. Inside VS Explorer, it's weird. Or what do you mean it's weird? Like, are you having trouble? Like I'm confused by that. Thank you. It is going well so far. 2 rotation. Creating folders. Just up here, new file. I'm pretty sure you can you do like, I don't even know. I know whenever I just want to create something new, I always just hit up here. And also, what do you mean writing paths to them? Like, are you having trouble like if you want to open something, like it's hard to get to it? Is that what you're saying as well? Bro, this is kind of like annoying. Like, I don't know how to. Bro, I'm gonna have to redo so much. Well, what are you having like an issue with? Like what do you mean writing paths to them? Mm. Bro, this is gonna be so rough. Well, I mean, if you want to route stuff between different things, that's through your default project.json. I route a lot of different things because I don't like to have one main folder for like replicated storage or like server storage. Type with path to example. Type like path to, for example, rope storage. What do you mean? Like if you have, I'm confused by that. I'm gonna implement speed on a different day because that's gonna be really hard. Since 2000, we gonna call back. We gonna call back. Thomas, bro, Thomas, you can't just say a time frame. Like I don't know. Like we're in completely different time zones. I don't know what's 220. I use AI to code too. No, I'm gonna end stream in 20 minutes. I'm gonna go for like a walk. We gonna call back. We gonna call back. Okay. You should in default. It's hard for me to write that. And also, like, my hood deletes everything I have that's not a script. Like, if it's some GUI stuff, it deletes it. Oh yeah, if you want to get rid of that, in your default project.json. Well, I mean, you don't have to write this type of stuff. You can just have replicated storage, service strip storage, and like your starter player stuff. But if you want to not like delete stuff, just put ignore unknown instances in like a folder, and then it won't delete it. However, either way, I typically you shouldn't couple that stuff together. Like your GUI shouldn't really be held with your whatever. I have a game that was not started in VS and Rojo, and it's not letting me sync it to VS if it's not a script that it deletes it. Yeah, just do ignore unknown instances. And if you want to script your, or you want to sync your scripts to your code, Roblox has like a built-in like script sync thing. But yeah, ignore unknown instances. This helps. Like I have a couple folders in replicated storage that's not in my code base, but it doesn't get rid of it because I have this right here. Okay, Thomas. Huh? Yeah, you're welcome. Oh wait, in dev focus. What did he do wrong? What did Parrot do wrong? Thomas, what do you mean? Also, what do you mean you can see what I'm talking about? I'm confused. Oh. Oh. It's just that Rojo and VS are a strange explorer to me, so I came here for some advice. Yeah, it can be a little bit annoying, but once you get better at it, and like you can set up your project how you want and like separate it into like folders and stuff like that, it gets really nice. Like I like how my project is structured right now. I really like this. So I highly recommend getting VS Code and stuff like that. I like it personally. Um. Pickaxe counts. Right, plot index. There it is. Okay. You don't have to follow what they do. Do what you love because that's how you progress. That's their special awesome. In VS Code, you can customize folders more to make them nice. There's no need for that. What to then not to have like I've sent GPI, not much so. Like a single frame for lightning and stuff. What's up, Panda? Oh god, I forgot how to make comments. Okay, I just remembered. Yeah, 2 dashes. You can have whatever you want inside of your early source. Yeah. Let's see if this works. You're right, let me show you something. Okay. Okay, let's just see if everything works correctly when I try to equip it. Okay. Why would I play one another just that? Tend to iterate over a buffer value. Okay. Upgrade station. Oh, actually. There you go. And then do that. What am I making right now, Starfall? Is that what you're asking? Okay. Shit. I'm making it so that what's it called? Your pickaxe splits into multiple. Whenever you, like with this ability. Not split. Yeah, it should work now. I think this is gonna be way too OP though, so I need to rebalance the game a little bit. And you gotta make a slop game. How is this a slop game? It's literally just a simulator. Bro, motherfuckers hate on anything. This isn't even gonna be a cash grab. What do you mean slop game? Ooh, yeah, this is fire. Yeah, I need to rebalance it. It's gonna be too OP. Also, how is this a slop game? I would love to hear that. Oh my god, this is gonna look so cool with yeah, exactly. Holy shit. Jeez, that's laggy. Yeah, I definitely need to optimize some of the damage markers. Yeah, wait, let me make it so that this doesn't print. I changed the time. I couldn't tell you about this earlier because it wouldn't let me put a video above the upload name and you can't watch a lot. Wait, what? Is the lightning on the client or the server? Client. All the effects are on the client. Like everything is on the client. But actually, wait here. Let me show you how it looks like on the server. Oh wait, actually wait. Where is the print thing? Oh wait, I think it's in the. Yeah. Cause I have like some stuff to make my folders look interesting. Bro, focus. I don't know what to tell you, bro. It's literally just a simulator game. Like, it's a simulator. Like, I don't know. It's an incremental game. If you think that's slop, then okay, that's fine. But like, I know what you're expecting out of an incremental. Okay. So this is how it looks like on the server. Literally empty as fuck. Yeah, what's up, Oliver? Things are going good with the game. So this is the server, and then on the client is that like that's where everything actually is. Holy shit. Oh, that's an issue with the spring. Oh shit. So there's some issues with the spring. You know, the reason why it's not like instantly breaking though is because I have like a debounce on like when the pickaxes can damage, which I need to edit. Like the wait time is too long. Oh my fucking god. Oh, okay. So this is some things that we need to fix. Slop in Roblox is a different term. Every game is slop, even games that have passion for them. Okay. Debounce packet. Alright. Damage packet. Yeah. Yo, the debounce on this is insane. Half a second. But still, why you gotta make a game that you don't really like? Wait, what do you mean? I literally like the idea of the game. Focus, I literally started making this game because I like the idea. Like, I don't know if you're here for it, but people will ask me, hey, like, hey, why does your file name say factory game, right? And it's because originally when I started this, I wanted to make a factory game, right? And I was watching this live stream about this guy playing this game, and he was like, wow, this game seems really cool. And it's kind of sad that like it's not doing as well as it could be because it is like addicting. And it was pretty much it was it's what inspired me to start making this game because I like the game loop, and it seemed like a game that could go well. So I guess you could also say money incentive, but also like I just like the idea of the game. Like it looked like a cool and fun game, and then I added my own stuff to it, like crafting your own pickaxe and stuff like that, because I think that's also cool. And like the things that I'm making it because I like it. Like I wouldn't work on something that I don't like. Also, I'm actually gonna go soon, guys. Like really soon. Because it's getting a little bit late. We'll make it with a different style. Not everything gotta be Lego style with Lego UI. What do you mean? I'm confused. Like, what? What are you talking about? Focus. What are you talking about? What? How is this Lego? Yeah, this is the second game, bro. Focus. This is the second time I've ever made like UI for a game. And the first time I did do it, it was for like this pixel art thing on a completely different game engine. Like I'm not good at UI. Scripting is my thing, like, but not UI design. Also, how is this Lego? I'm confused. Like, I'm really confused by that. Bro, that doesn't even make sense. Focus. What are you talking about? Lego because of the checker texture? That's like, I've never seen that in Lego. I'm lost, bro. However, I agree. I don't really. I think that the top thing is kind of weird. I don't really know what to do for the top thing. I might remove the checker texture. Actually, that's more like studs. You'll see studs in every game, but this isn't studs. Yo, focus. If you're pressed over this, bro, you're gonna be mad at the next game that I make, because the next game that I make is gonna be more cash grab like. Also, yeah, I'm kind of confused. Like, I don't really get your points. I mean, I get what you're sort of saying, Focus. Like the plots and everything that can be kind of annoying in games. Like every game is kind of like that. Like have a plot and stuff like that. Uh, but like I don't know. I'm a one-man team, bro. And I wanted to make this for my first game, a simulator game. So I don't know. Yeah, I know. Thank you, Panda. From a technical side, I do have to say though, like, bro, I don't like some of the parts of my game. Like, technically speaking, like I don't like the code of my game. Like, I don't know what I would do differently, but I feel like I want to do things differently. An offie tower. Oopsie daisies. Mm. Yeah, I mean it's fine. Focus. The platform is like oversaturated with simulator games. I do agree with you. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie or something like that. Why did you never make a game before? I mean, I have made games. It's just this is the first time I made a game, and like I'm actually gonna like release it. Does that make sense? Like I never made a product yet. I have made stuff, but they're just not products. Like they're not finished. I know, but I want to see some of those games I play on Steam inside Roblox. Yeah. Whoops. Oh wait. I'm stupid. Mm. You know, I'm gonna handle this stuff off stream. I said I was gonna end stream 5 minutes ago, so I think I'm just gonna go now. But it was pretty nice. I think I did some okay stuff so far. The skill tree is coming along pretty well. The skills are almost all done. I just need to do some editing tonight. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna make quite a bit of changes on how pickaxes work, technically speaking, for rotation. But yeah, things have been pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all have a I hope y'all have a good time arguing about Roblox games. But I'll see y'all. Bye bye, guys. Oh wait, hold on, wait. Can all y'all go on Twitch? I wanna raid someone. I wanna try raiding for the first time. Is there anyone streaming Roblox Studio right now? Wait, guys, can y'all go on Twitch? I wanna raid someone. I wanna try it out. No, no, no. It's for it's also another Roblox Studio Live. Would y'all be down to raid? Would y'all be down to raid? If y'all don't want to raid, then I'm just not gonna do it. But there's this guy with 28 viewers that that I think would be cool to raid. Would y'all want to? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, simplicity. Yeah, I'll send you over to this guy. Here, wait. Let me get his Twitch. If you want to do it, then do it. If not, whatever. Actually, we only have 4 viewers. Oh, never mind. That's kind of embarrassing. All right, yeah, we're actually just gonna end it here. Yeah, I don't want to raid before Twitch viewers. All right, yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.